Welcome back. Part number 3 of beautiful rice paper gift from Hajar. Because there are so many of them, I decided that I think it's gonna be just better to make it in 3 parts or more. I don't know. Another gorgeous paper. This is more traditional. It's looking really very much like a Polish design for traditional art, I have to say. Oh, this is so cute. It's like a kind of vintage old style art. I love that. Very pretty. Oh, this is stunning. I will be definitely using this one. I can tell you that. I can imagine fussy cutting these and dividing them in half and putting this on one part of the journal page. Gorgeous. Oh, that's different. That's great for coasters because you have few designs and you can make, if you have some coasters, some sets to be done. Oh, that's lovely because it's black and white and it's very easy to actually use design of this sort in the background. I think it's a gorgeous idea for the design. This is lovely too. Wow. Do you know what, Lucas? If by any chance you could bring me my water, that would be lovely. Thank you. I don't want to pause the video. It's too exciting. This is lovely. This is pretty, I have to say. I can also imagine this on the journal page. Part of this going, and yeah, it is nice. Oh, this is stunning. This is stunning. I just would love to make up some idea for using design like this. I'm gonna think about it, how to use these gorgeous designs, because there's so many beautiful designs that are not necessarily for journal. I like that. Not my cup of tea, I guess, but that's okay too, I think. That's also traditional, pretty looking. Wow. Oh, I love this one. I love this one. It looks very like Polish traditional drawings as well. It is quite interesting to see. Oh, that's lovely. Look at this one. Beautiful. I can imagine these being chopped up in different pieces. Maybe not the hands, but this part is gorgeous. The sky. I can imagine this. Oh, this is so cute. Little fairies. Little fairies here. So pretty. Thank you, Dzięki, Mishu. Thank you so much. I really need a sip of something. This is lovely. Oh, that's different. That is different, I have to say. That is lovely. That's also different. Very arty. Wow. Very different. Very arty. I like that. Wow, I can imagine them being used somehow in some collage in tiles sort of thing. Interesting. Oh, that's definitely for coasters to be used, or yeah, 6 coasters, imagine. Same for this. All this patterny, yeah, I would have to come up with some idea of a design, how to use them, how to use this. Oh, this is truly beautiful. This is lovely. I don't know how, but even if we get out, imagine punch out circles or like cut out circles and use circles on the page, imagine. This could be pretty. I love this. I love these flowers. I can imagine, I can see them, no problem, on the page. Oh, this is beautiful as well. It is like a wallpaper or like a carpet. And I can imagine this being used. I have to say, Hajar, a lot of them would be very much challenging. They are very pretty. Not necessarily, I just not necessarily know how to use them, but that's okay too. I think it's nice to try something different on the black background. Well, I've never used on the black background, but that could be a challenge. That's nice. That's different. Again. Oh, this is a definite use. This is definitely. This is like, I would love to paint like that. Let's put it this way. My this year resolution, well, this year, I mean 2023, I would love to learn how to paint, draw, doodle of this kind. I love it. Oh, this is amazing. This is amazing. I have to come back to this. I love it. I really love it. I think the artists itself, whoever really drew it, it's just incredible. This is beautiful as well. On the round canvas, imagine making a clock with that. Super pretty. Not necessarily my cup of tea. This also, because I think this is more like a digital art, I'm not into digital designs as much. Oh, that's cute. That's pretty. Now, oh, that's nice. That's digital, but it's different, and I do like this one. I do love this one actually. Very pretty. Oh, that's cute. Very different as well. These are more like they are drawn on in iPad. Oh, I love this. I adore this for the background. Imagine, I can imagine that. So pretty. And I think the next one, I can definitely see this being used. Like 100%. It's a huge design, and I love that. I love the idea of all of these are huge designs, and I love that. This is another difficult one on the dark background, I have to say, with the digital sort of feel. Oh, that's pretty. That is lovely. You can cut out easily some elements from that. Oh, that's so pretty. Little birdies. That's nice. I like that. My cup of tea more. I probably am kind of safe person when it comes to designs. Oh, wow. This is Marta. I would use that 100%. 100%. The color scheme is just right. The design, everything is just phenomenal here. I love it. I love anemones, and I'm crazy fan of these flowers in the real life. I have them in the garden. I'm buying them every year, trying to grow them and not kill them because some of them don't survive. I just love them. I love them so much. This is so pretty as well. Collage in tiles, I can imagine. This not necessarily, I just would not know what to do with this sort of design. Oh, this is pretty. However, it is a digital one, but it is pretty. Look at it. It is lovely. Wow. Whoever designed them like to mix two, like pattern and the flower together. That's a nice, interesting way of thinking. I like that. Again, a hard one to use. Oh, that's nice. That's a digital butterfly as well. Very pretty. Oh, that's cute. For art journaling, for colorful art, I would imagine that. Oh, this is so pretty. I love that. I love that. Adore that, actually, I have to say. Wow. Oh, this is so cute. I like that. I'm actually speechless. So many of them are absolutely phenomenal that I would just be making in a heartbeat with them. Some of them are challenging, difficult. Oh, this would be definitely like go-to design. It's a butterfly, it's vintage, it has it all. It has this feel of art, and I don't know, I just love it. This is also phenomenal design. I love the poppies are in pink. Very different. I don't think I've seen poppies in pink, to be honest. Oh, this is cute. Again, a cute art. I'm kind of running away from cute art. But I have to say, between designs of this kind that I do own less, but I do, and I have some books with embellishments that I didn't use, like Art by Marlene books. I would love to use them. Oh, look at this, is unique and special. Wow. Very funny as well, because you have like pretty face, and you have some frog butterflies. Very unique, very different. That's so gorgeous. Huge for the journal page, I have to say, but it is pretty. It is pretty. Let's admire that pretty. That's nice. Nice. I like sunflowers, but I would certainly, if I was to choose between this design and this, I would always go for this, because this is hand-drawn, painted. This is digitally done, which I have no problem with digital art. But some of them are too digital looking to me. I love this one. Okay, well, now this is my #1 right now. This is gorgeous. Look at it. It is like a perfect, beautiful, perfect. Although, fun enough, I would not be surprised if this is also digitally made. I don't know. Hard to tell sometimes, and that's a good digital artwork when you can't tell. This is so pretty. Oh wow, well no, this is my number one. This is Anomi Flowers, Anemone, sorry, Anemone. This is like, this is Marta. This is, I love it. If I could squeeze it, I don't want to, but I would. I will use all of these for definitely. Like, I love it. I would love to have a second of it so I could make a live class with it. It's gorgeous. It is amazing design, I have to say. Wow, that's so pretty. Oh, this is like, we all love having designs that are just perfect for backgrounds. Oh, so pretty, butterflies. Oh, these are two of these. Oh, that's so cute. Two of these designs. Let me show you them. So pretty. Imagine like they would make a perfect I may do a live class with these or something, because they would make a perfect set for a page. That's so pretty. Cute and pretty. So pretty. Oh, I love this. I adore this. Adore this to bits. Like, this is phenomenal. I love that design. Oh, that's different. Unique, arty, special. I love that. Again, I do love that. Most, I have to say, I love, and these are so cute for the Easter art. Wow. Do you know what? Let's make part number 4, because it's like never stopping. There could be even more parts. We'll be having opening of these for the whole week. But why not? Okay, I'll see you tomorrow. Bye for now.